So the first video I did ended up really long because I kind of went into these a little more than I expected. But so this is gonna be at the beginning of it, so you can kind of see what we're doing, and then if you want to see inside these or what some of them are, you can continue watching. So basically, this is our summer program. We are doing 4 different types, if you want to say, or subjects. We're going to be doing a copy work, a writing, a math, and a reading. And basically what I did is I kind of took what my goals were for the summer, what I wanted them to practice, and some of the things I wanted to use, and I have the hand sneaking in, and basically made a list and then tried to make sure they separated it out. So basically we're going to do a reason for handwriting. We have the level T, which is their transition, which has print and cursive. So I actually have enough papers for each kid for each week for the summer. And so Drew will primarily do cursive, Abby will do cursive and print, and Cole will just do print. So every day they'll do one of those, and basically it's broken down into day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So then on day 1 then we have writing. On day 1, they're going to have a journal prompt, which I just went online and printed a journal prompt. Day 2, we're going to do handwriting without tears. So this is my baskets. I have day 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's our handwriting without tears. They're chalkboards. I have their chalk actually up there.
These are normal tiny chalkboards.
Yeah, they.
Look.
And then this just kind of reminds me of some other things. Here's also my little notes, which I'll get to in a minute. But this is my note for here. Tells me what letters I'm going to be going through. Day 3 writing, we're going to be doing spelling. I just went and printed off some spelling lists and words. I printed off Drew's. I need to print off the little guys. These are all the spelling words that he did in level 2. So we're going to practice those. Okay, so day 4 is writing. It's going to be journal. So I've only put Abby's in here right now, but I'll have the other 3 in here. So for math, we're going to do our CC songs. So in here, I think I actually have our CDs. Yep. In our laminate edition, this I just printed off. It's just some basic 0 plus 1, 2 plus, or 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3.
That's
so
what I do.
That is their laminate math. We're going to listen to our CC songs, and this is telling me what numbers we're on. For day 2 maths, we're going to do wrap-ups.
These get harder and harder every day.
Day 3 math, we're going to do, Abby started this, and Cole has not yet, but basically they write to 1,000.
And I do not like to.
Okay. And then I changed this up a little bit. We will be adding our Christian Light Education flashcards, and I made these to match these.
These are little balls.
One second. And then for math, on the last day, we're going to do our Math for Living Education flashcards, and these are the ones that the kids make. They're called Right Brain flashcards. These are Abby's. I just need to add Cole's. And then we're also going to do some extra math on the computer. And that's pretty much it. Last thing we're going to do is our reading. For reading, we're going to do our super speed, which if you want to see what that is, just continue watching. I'll go over it. Stop it, please. And our CLE readers, which I went ahead and put these in here for the little and Drew. And if you want to look inside these, just continue watching. If we get through all that, we can go into All About Reading readers. So day 2's reading, we're going to do our word lists. And I will show you those real quick. They're in here somewhere. These are our word lists that the kids got in their Learn to Read program.
Have to read with Daddy.
Yeah, they read with Daddy. And then we also saved the flashcards that were their sight words. So they will work on those. And that was day 2. And then for their reading, they're going to do their Usborne reading, which I don't think I have one here, but we have that 50 book set. So day 3, we're going to do I Can Read readers. These are really neat. Again, if you want to be in these, keep on watching. And then day 4's reading, we're going to do Read Works. And this is basically an online thing I talk about a little later. But if you don't get that far, basically it assesses their reading. They get a passage, they answer questions, and it kind of gives them a reading level, which when you homeschool, it's really nice to kind of have that continual assessment. And so that's where we're keeping all of these. And so I tried to make it so like everything's kind of together. Here's all our day 1.
You can get at Walmart.
It is day 2's, day 3's, and day 4's, and I'll add everybody's journal. I'll add Abby's flashcards, and Drew.
Letter Z.
Yeah, 1 second. And Drew, I have some multiplication flashcards, which I'll put in here for him. So that is going to be our summer program. If you want to see a little bit more in depth into these, I'll add that to this video. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to
Subscribe
like.
and hit the bell.
That's right.
And hit the bell.
So have a great summer.
Have a good summer. I'm playing electronic.
Did you do your school?
Yes.
Say bye.
Bye.